everyone, welcome to my home. I am so excited that you're here because I've got a very special announcement. I am about to launch a brand new series on my channel and I'm so excited to tell you about it. This Sunday, starting this weekend, at 11 o'clock, every other Sunday, I will be doing a bake where you bake along with me, and it's a classic recipe. So something that you should just know and have in your repertoire so that you can just bring it out every time your friend's coming around and you need a quick bake. These are things that are just gonna be really simple and really tasty and that you're just gonna love. So I'm very excited because not only do we get to hang out on Sundays, I get to show you more things to bake and I get to eat more cake. So everyone's a winner really. So I will also be posting the recipe and shopping list in advance. So this video here actually has your next shopping list for this week's video in the description box. It is for a delicious devil's food cake, my favorite chocolate cake of all time. So check out the description box below, get yourself ready. Also make sure you're following me on Instagram because I'll also be posting shopping lists the Tuesday before the Sunday upload, so you can get ready. This is gonna be so much fun. I'm really excited. So make sure you invite your friends around maybe and do a little fun time baking on a Sunday with them, or share this video with them so that they can do it as well on their own. And all the way through, I want you to be taking pictures of your bakes and the processes and just how much fun you're having, and using the hashtag CupcakeJemmaBakes on Instagram so that I can see what you're up to, because I just love to do that. So I'm super excited. Make sure as well that you have subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell, because there's going to be extra uploads, more than you are used to. So I don't want you to miss anything. So make sure you've hit the bell. That way you get notified every time an upload goes on. So I will see you this Sunday. I'm really psyched and I can't wait to see your bakes. Bye.